Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to add bots to your server without an invite or an invite link. So first, what you want to do is go to your user settings on Discord. So here on this settings logo, click on that. Once you're here, you just need to scroll down till you see the app settings section, and here on advanced, click that. And make sure that your developer mode is turned on, just like so that you can copy the IDs of the bots or the on the profiles. Just go escape on that and copy the bot that you want to add to your server. So let's say this bot. Right click, and as you can see, there's a copy user ID option here. So just click on that, and now open your browser and go to this website, discordapi.com. So just go to this website, and once you're here, you could now copy the code the ID that you copied from Discord, and paste it here. Once you're done with that, you can go around and mess with the permissions here. And after that, click this link and wait for it to load. And as you can see, you can now add the bot to your server. And select the server that you want to add a bot into. And it's that simple, guys. If you have found this video helpful, then leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.